Friends, welcome back to the class. Today we are going to study about partnership, how it is formed, and what are the necessary requirements to form a partnership. As we have already studied, that partnership is a relationship between two or more persons who have agreed to share profits of a business carried on by all or any of them acting for all. So, to form a partnership, no legal formalities are required, only a simple agreement. Let it be oral or written, can work. ठीक है. So a partnership firm is formed when two or more persons enter into an agreement to form a partnership. This agreement can be either oral or written, वो आपकी मर्जी है. But oral वाले में problem यही है oral agreement में that in future disputes बन सकते हैं. So to avoid these disputes in future, it is always advisable to have a written agreement. And once you sign the agreement, the partnership firm comes into existence. Now for the registration, it is not at all compulsory in the act that you have to get yourself registered, but there are certain benefits which a firms get over by the registration of the firm, so it is preferred that the firm should get registered. Next is partnership deed. So as we said that partners should have a written agreement between them. That written agreement is called partnership deed. The document containing the terms and condition of partnership agreement is known as partnership deed. इट इज़ अ स्टैम्प पेपर जिस पे हम सारे रूल्स रेगुलेशन टर्म्स कंडीशन पार्टनरशिप के लिखते हैं. इट ऑल्सो कंटेन्स द राइट एंड ड्यूटीज ऑफ एवरी पार्टनर्स. तो इसमें बेसिकली हम क्या क्या चीज़ें लिखेंगे. नेम ऑफ द फर्म की फर्म का नाम क्या है, नेम एंड एड्रेस ऑफ पार्टनर्स, नेचर ऑफ बिजनेस की व्हाट काइंड ऑफ बिजनेस आर वी गोइंग टू डू, प्लेस ऑफ बिजनेस, देयर कैन बी अ हेड ऑफिस, देयर कैन ब्रांच ऑफिस एज वेल. सो एवरी डिटेल, ठीक है ना. देन कैपिटल कॉन्ट्रीब्यूट बाय ईच पार्टनर, प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग रेशियो ऑफ ईच पार्टनर, what are the rights and duties of each partner in the management, like who will be the active partner, who will be the sleeping partner, mode of maintaining accounts, the rate of interest on capital, rate of interest on drawings, okay, the salary payable to any partners, provision regarding retirement and dissolution, method of solving disputes among partners, interest on loan. Every of these each of these items is detailed in the partnership deed. And in case you don't make a partnership deed, then the provision of partnership act will prevail in that condition. तो पार्टनरशिप डीड हम लोग इसलिए बनाते हैं ताकि ये जो बेसिक जितनी इन्फॉर्मेशन दी है ये सारी एक जगह पे स्टैम्प पेपर में यानी लीगल फॉर्म में हमारे पास अवेलेबल रहेंगी. इन केस कभी फ्यूचर में कोई डिस्प्यूट आएगा तो द डिस्प्यूट विल बी सॉल्व अकॉर्डिंग टू द एग्रीमेंट में. देन कम्स रजिस्ट्रेशन ऑफ पार्टनरशिप फर्म. लीगली इट इज़ नॉट कंपलसरी फॉर अ पार्टनरशिप फर्म टू गेट इट सेल्फ रजिस्टर्ड. ठीक है, आपकी मर्जी है, आपने रजिस्ट्रेशन कराना है कराइए, नहीं कराना कोई बात नहीं. बट इन केस यू डोंट गेट योर सेल्फ रजिस्टर्ड, there are certain problems like if a firm is non-registered, then a partner cannot file case against the partnership firm. A partner cannot file against any partner. A firm, unregistered firm cannot file suit against any third party. और a firm cannot file case against any partner. तो कोई जो फर्म है वो किसी पे भी केस नहीं कर पाएगी. आउटसाइडर कैन क्लेम ऑन द फर्म, बट द फर्म और द पार्टनर्स ऑफ द फर्म कैन नॉट क्लेम ऑन एनी वन until and unless it is a registered firm. So due to these reasons, usually people get themselves registered. To get your business registered, what you have to do, you have to apply in the registrar office. You have to fill the prescribed form and provide the fees. You have to give certain information like name of the firm, name of principal place of business like head office. In case there are certain branch office, then their address as well. Date of admission of partners, name and address of partners, duration of firm. Each and every information should be there, and then the application must be signed by all the partners. The registrar will verify whether this information is correct or not, and if he is satisfied, he will give you the certificate of registration. एंड एक चीज़ ध्यान रखनी होती है, आफ्टर रजिस्ट्रेशन अगर कोई चेंजेस आते हैं पार्टनरशिप में तो दैट शुड ऑल्सो बी मेड इन टू नॉलेज ऑफ द रजिस्ट्रार. तो इसके इस तरीके से हम लोग एक पार्टनरशिप डीड के थ्रू पार्टनरशिप फर्म को फॉर्म करते हैं. नेक्स्ट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन पार्टनरशिप एंड सोल प्रोप्राइटरशिप. What are the differences between sole proprietorship and partnership business? So the very first difference is governed by which act governs partnership and which act governs sole proprietorship. So there is no act for sole proprietorship, but for partnership there is Indian Partnership Act 1932. When it comes to number of members, in sole proprietorship there is only one member, but in partnership there can be minimum 2, maximum 50. Basis of formation, There is no agreement in sole proprietorship, but in partnership there is a partnership deed. Risk की बात करें, sole proprietor alone has to bear all the risk. In partnership the risk gets divided. फाइनेंस के बेसिस पे कंपेयर करें तो सोल प्रोप्राइटर हैज़ लेस अमाउंट ऑफ कैपिटल एज कंपेयर टू द पार्टनरशिप. Decision making in sole proprietorship, the sole proprietor has all the power to take the decision. He doesn't have to consult with anyone, but in partnership the decisions are taken with the consultation of each and every partner. Division of profit in partnership, the profits get divided, whereas in sole proprietorship it doesn't get divided between anyone because there is no other owner of the business. Next is the difference between partnership and joint Hindu family business. Now the joint Hindu family business is a business in which a family is doing the business. If we talk about Act, the Partnership Act is governed by Partnership Act 1932, whereas the family business is governed by Hindu Succession Act. Number of members partnership में 2 से 50, joint Hindu family में 2 से no limit. पार्टनरशिप में केवल फीमेल मेंबर्स पे एक्टिव पार्टनर हो सकती है, हिंदू फैमिली बिजनेस में नहीं होता. मैनेजमेंट की बात करें, पार्टनरशिप में हर किसी के पास मैनेजमेंट राइट्स हैं, बट इन जॉइंट हिंदू फैमिली बिजनेस ओनली कर्ता हैज़ द राइट टू कंट्रोल एंड मैनेज द बिजनेस. When it comes to liability in partnership, the liability of every member is unlimited, but in joint Hindu family business, the liability of karta is unlimited and that of rest is limited up to their share in the business. So these were the differences between sole proprietorship and partnership. In the next video, we will discuss another form of business. Till then, take care and have a great day.